up! Yay, Kathy!
Is Kathy doing the hardest trick we have yet to learn?
Nice, Kathy.
On the Spanish silks with a knot. No, push.
There you go.
Oops.
Awesome.
Now iron cross.
Nice.
Woo! Beautiful.
Yay!
Doing bonus.
And then this.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then reach up past your.
Put your feet back through.
Past your knees. So get your knees back out of the way. There you go. Sit up. You got it.
Grab on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
That's it.
You got it on the run now.
Yeah.
Reach it.
Yeah! Yeah!
You got it.
Kathy! Oh my God! Yeah!
Straighten your legs. Try to get them all the way up.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be great here.
Ready?
Yep.
Arms straight out.
Straight out.
Trust it.
You got it. Trust me.
Yep. Woo!